In this video, you'll learn essential Thai phrases for everyday use, such as thank you, sorry, and please. These basic expressions will help make your trip to Thailand or life in Thailand even more enjoyable. Now let's get started. Let's start with a phrase to express gratitude. Thank you. In Thai, it's ขอบคุณครับ Let me say it again. ขอบคุณครับ Try to say it right away whenever someone does something for you. Next is the phrase for saying sorry. In Thai, it's ขอโทษครับ One more time. ขอโทษครับ Even for small mistakes or when you bump into someone, sincerely saying sorry will leave a good impression. Next is the expression for please or help please. In Thai, it's ช่วยด้วยครับ Once again, ช่วยด้วยครับ It's a very useful phrase to remember when you're in trouble or need assistance. For greeting someone for the first time, we say, nice to meet you. In Thai, it's ยินดีที่ได้รู้จักครับ One more time. ยินดีที่ได้รู้จักครับ It's a useful phrase when introducing yourself. Next is the phrase to use when you don't understand something. In Thai, it's ไม่เข้าใจครับ ไม่เข้าใจครับ One more time. ไม่เข้าใจครับ It's important to be honest and say it clearly instead of pretending to understand. When someone is speaking too fast and you can't catch what they're saying, this phrase is very useful. In Thai, it's พูดช้าๆหน่อยครับ One more time. พูดช้าๆหน่อยครับ Stay calm and politely ask them to speak more slowly. Now let's review the 6 Thai phrases we've just learned. Try saying them out loud together with me. All right, let's begin. ขอบคุณครับ 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 ขอโทษครับ 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 ช่วยด้วยครับ 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 ยินดีที่ได้รู้จักครับ 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 ไม่เข้าใจครับ 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 พูดช้าๆหน่อยครับ 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 Did you pronounce them well? Just remembering these 6 phrases will make communication in Thailand much easier.
Just knowing these basic phrases will make both travel and daily life much more comfortable. Even a little Thai can go a long way in expressing how you feel. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.